Hey guys, this is Soybean back with SQA number 16. This is a question posed by SirFaces. SirFaces is asking for a script where it shoots an enemy within like 20 studs. So this isn't too hard. We need to use magnitude checks, and we need to establish the kill part, like the antagonist and the turret itself. So I will insert a part. I know you can just do like this. There you go. Lock him, anchor him, name him antagonist. Set his size to like 5 by 5 by 5. It's pretty beefy. Let's lower him a little bit. And then we'll make a part called the turret. We'll name the color of the turret like green, and we'll put him, we'll give him a ball mesh so we can easily distinguish him. Alright, so this turret, let's pretend he is like up on high. Let's move him right here. Cool. So now these parts right here, let me set the surface inputs to smooth for everything so they don't get attached to the base. So these parts are going to move toward the turret. I'll just have 3 of them for now, just for testing purposes. And inside of these, I'll put a script in the server script service that says, well, wait, they'll intercross in the half-second intervals. Get all the children of the workspace. If the target's name is antagonist, we will move them. And I believe as they get closer to the turret, they'll increase on the z-axis. Let's just check it out here, the position. -30, -90. Yeah, they'll be decreasing, or they'll be increasing on the z. That'll be 1. There you go. So this should move them all. Let's see. His name is antagonist 2 by accident, but you can see it's working. We can increase that time a little bit, 1.4, and then we'll name the green antagonist turret. Name turret. So in the turret, we'll have a script that says fire. Let's see. Let's establish some variables. Local fire rate equals 1. So every second he'll fire, or every second he'll perform a check, anyways. Bullet color, brick color dot new. Let's say bright green. Local bullet material. Oh yeah. You know, we can just make this easier by making one bullet. Okay, so this is going to every 1 second. Preview next. Workspace, get children. So we need to get all of the children in the workspace. Establish a closest target. Closest. We need to get the magnitude between the turret's position and the antagonist's position. So let's establish our range variable. He said like 20, so let's put it at 20. If v, okay, so local distance equals the part stop position. Oh wait, first let's establish if its name is antagonist. v.name is equal to antagonist. Local distance is v.position minus, I'll say turret is script parent, we'll define that as well. Alright, if distance is less than, if distance is, yeah, less than the closest, let's establish closest as math.huge. That way, for sure, the first target will always be closest, and then we can start establishing this variable. We can establish the closest in here as well, so it resets every time this function runs. And dist is less than range, less than or equal to the range. Then establish local target. Local target is V. Alright, cool. So now we have a way to identify our target as being the closest part to the turret and within 20 studs. So once we have our target, we can say we actually yeah, let's identify target. So let's make a new beam like we were doing earlier with the brick color and all that. Let's say local beam is instance.new part beam.anchored is true, beam.can collide equals false, beam.transparency equals 0.5, and the material neon. Color is brick color not new. Say bright green. Beam.position. Now the position, we need to make this part like we would a laser beam. And I'm going to see if I can do this from memory. Has something to do with like we set the parts. Let's see. If I forget how to do this, we'll go look on the wiki real quick. The size is equal to the magnitude for sure. On the Z, I do believe the dist. Now we say so I have a crotch. The Roblox Raycast laser gun. It's just right here, super easy, super duper duper. We don't need to cast a ray since we don't need to detect what our target is, as we just did that. Okay, so the C-frame is got it. So we position it to the handle and then make it look at the target, and then we C-frame it to halfway between the points so that the size as it extends in both directions. Okay, that makes sense. So we'd say beam.position equals the turret.position where it originates to look at the antagonist position, so it'd be the target position, times cframe.new 0, 0, negative distance divided by 2. And we can make that play a sound if we wanted to. As we target it though, let's throw this away after a fifth of a second. It's probably too long still, but we'll see what happens, and then destroy the target. So this can be adjusted for health and all that, but you'll see when it gets within 20 studs, this should take a shot at him. 20 studs is actually pretty close. It might take a second for them to approach 20 studs. Give it a minute. I hope that one's in range, actually. He might not be. It's as close as he's going to get. Nope, let's see if this guy hits. We got a Oh, we messed up our brick color, didn't we? I'm going to adjust the speed of the part. Ah, beamed up brick color. Okay. So yeah, let's crank up the speed of those antagonists. 20th. And I'm also going to increase the range of the turret to 50 because 20 was way too small. Alright, check this out. Another script error. We got in the same line, beam.position equals cframe.new. Beam.cframe. I wish I could catch these things and talk at the same time efficiently. Oh my god. 21. Where's the issue? Bad argument 1 expected. Oh, forgot a comma there. Alright, so testing scripts is very real. And the beam is never being parented to the workspace, so that's why it doesn't appear for us. This is kind of the process. If you're a developer, you'll constantly be retesting the same system 4 or 5 times before you flesh out all the little microscopic errors. Just kind of how it works. Part of the process. And hopefully this will work now. Boom. Boom. Laser beam. Boom. That's awesome. That's a really cool effect. So yeah, I will save this as what? Turret. Ugh. Turret script. This is number 16. Actually, SQA 16. Turret. Easy enough. I'll take this server script and I'll post it to turret script. Excuse me. I'll post it to pastebin. SQA number 16. Turret for, and who is this? SirFaces. Excellent. Hope this helped. I've done this once before for my game payload. I'm still working on it, but this is one of the core mechanics of the turrets. They have to detect this same exact system where stuff approaches, turret detects, it fires. You can tell it to subtract health as well instead of just straight up destroying the object. That's what I do. That's what I recommend. Make it more, entertaining. All right. See you guys in the next video.